Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today with an unboxing video. I am so excited that ELICE US reached out to me. They are an Amazon company and they have an assortment of products, but they specifically asked me if I wanted to review their A3 light pad. It is in this beautiful box. It came packaged so beautifully from Amazon. And I'm going to go ahead and open it and then we'll take a peek. Okay, you can see that I opened the box and look how beautifully this is packaged. It has great foam here. It has a charging cord. Now, this you can use cordless or it can be plugged in. So it says that it is rechargeable. So I do not think that you have to leave this plugged in to work, but I will test that out. Okay, what a cool board this is. So I am going to plug it in and play around with it a little bit, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I touched the power button and it is already charged. So here it is on off. When you touch it, it's got like a white light. It's got like kind of more like an orangey tan, like a softer light, and it has an in-between light. So this would be more like that soft incandescent light, and the first one is like a bright white light. And it's so easy. All you have to do is touch this tiny little button here to scroll through the different ones, which means that it does not have to be plugged in. So that's so awesome. You could take it with you wherever you want to go. Now the plug-in is a USB cord, okay? So you just need to plug it in and charge it up with a USB. And then you can take it, you can work on your dining room table, you can take it while you're watching TV, all of that. Okay, so the first thing it says is to remove this protective film before use right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so now one of the first things that I noticed is that it has this clip right here, and this is magnetic right here, and so it can hold down your diamond painting like what I have on here. It can hold down your paper for weeding. It can hold down whatever you want to trace on top of it, or if you want to sketch, or you want to do watercolors. All of those things will be held down by this. It's very sturdy on here. So I really love that. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this on. Wow, that's so easy to see all of the numbers on this diamond painting right here. Oh my goodness, this is really great. How you can see this so much better. So much better. Love that. So I just want you to see that. Now, I believe it is adjustable. So I want to try that out next. Okay, so as we turn it over, you can actually see it has a built-in stand for this, and it just pops right inside. So all I had to do to release it was lift up on this, and then I lift it up on the sides, and you can see that it locks into position at whatever angle you would like it at. So I'm going to put it on the I'm going to flip it around and I'll show you what the angles look like. So this is in the lowest position, and look, if you were going to work on your diamond painting or your drawing, this seems like this would be like such a perfect angle to do things with. And again, here's the lights. So I really love that. So it can be flat, it can be like this, or it can be propped up even higher. So let me adjust that. Okay, and so this is the most upright that it goes in, and it's not quite a 90-degree angle. I want to say maybe like a 65, 70-degree angle. And this would be perfect for sketching, or if you were painting. Oh my gosh, or if you wanted to weed and you wanted to sit up straight and you wanted to weed your vinyl, this would be just so perfect for that. So I really love this light board. It's very lightweight. It's very well made. I love all the colors. I like the built-in stand. It's very compact for how giant it is. And let me give you the measurements of the inside. I believe the measurements are 15.2 inches in width and a little over, let's see here, on the inside, and it's about 12 inches in height on the white part. So you can see this is an A3 diagonal that goes across here. Just how big and beautiful this is. This would be perfect even for a budding artist or somebody who's been doing art for a long time. I just really love it. So I just think this would be fantastic. And so I will put a link to this item in the description below for you to go and check them out, or if you wanted to order it on Amazon. And it came super, super fast, just as all Amazon shipments do. And I just want to thank ELICE US. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to utilize your light board, to try it out, and to recommend it. It's really great. And thank you guys for spending a little time with me. I so appreciate it. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.